This is getting me incredibly frustrated. What is going on here? I'm just not winning today. No, my iron doesn't want to heat up. And this is supposed to be my good iron. No, bro, my iron is not heating up. Trust me, this is low melt solder. Like, I've been doing this for a long time. Like, maybe if I let this thing sit for like 20 minutes, it'll warm up. I think this is... Yeah. I mean, that's what I have one of those as well, and it's working almost immediately on this stuff. Like, you can see, it's just like... It's great. But for some odd reason, my actual soldering station is not. That's the morning I'm having. Apparently. Well, there's like, so let me show you. This is what I'm measuring right now. Like, literally, me just looking at it like this when it's on. Like, you can't really see it, but like, not touching anything. It's getting up to 500, 600. And now it's already dropping again. So it's like it's not touching anything. It's just it's gotta be something wrong with the actual heating element.
Several days later,
according to what I'm seeing, this should just line up. But let's do some cleanup. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.